Day 38 of 100 Days of Code as I'm learning the Python programming language. This video is to track my progress and to hold myself accountable. For day 38, I continued working with HTTP requests, specifically focusing on the put request. It's similar to the post in that you're sending information, but the response doesn't return. It returns an empty string. I'll start by seeding the request folder, which is on my desktop. And then we'll open up our Jupyter notebook. This will redirect and open up in a web browser. We will create a Python 3 file, and we will rename this file day 38 put request. This will be a simple put request, and we'll start by importing in our request module and also pprint, which is pretty print, as well as the JSON module or the JSON package port. There we go. Now we're going to assign a variable rput to our request.put function, and it will access the HTTP bin website. We're also going to assign data, because that's what we're looking at, a key value pair. So we'll just assign a key value. And then we want to make sure that we check the status. You can see it returned a 200, which is the status code for successful. We'll go ahead and check the type. And this is going to confirm that it is a response object by checking the type. Now we'll call the text field by just using that variable .text, and this is going to return the response object. So here you can see our response object, which is quite a bit of metadata. Put requests are often used to set the value at the server and often to perform what's called setter operations, where you can set the value of just different fields at the server. So again, we imported in our request module, pprint and JSON. We set our variable and made use of this URL. The key value dictionary here is attaching data in JSON format. We check the status code, which returns a 200, check the type, which lets us know that this is a response object, and we pulled our metadata.